Hi and welcome back. So today we have these Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro noise canceling earbuds. They are by Anker. These are true wireless earbuds with ACAA 2.0, Hero AD, ANC Fusion Comfort High Resolution Audio Wireless. Alright, so we have these Anker Liberty 3 Pros noise canceling earbuds. These are offered in 4 different colors. You've got the dusk purple, fog gray, frost white, and midnight black. So these are the Liberty Pro with high resolution. They're truly wireless with a USB connectivity noise canceling for Android and iPhones. This by Soundcore. So they have a little AAC 2.0 information on the side. These are recommended by 20 Grammy winning auto producers and musicians. These have premium sound via patent coaxial dual driver technology. The high-res sounds with 3 times more details, LDAC mode. You have normal mode, high-res audio wireless. Right here in the back it just gives you the information. These work up to 32 hours with charging case. These are Fusion Comfort, tailored active noise canceling, Herald D personalized profile, automatic environmental adaptation. So let's go and dive into the box. It has a little magnet on the side. So when you open it up, it'll just snap back on. Just lift it up and it just magnetizes. That makes it a great instead of having to rip open the box. So first off, in the box you do get the user manual. This basically tells you how to install these into your ear. And right here on the right hand side you have your earbud tips. You have 4 different sizes. You have the wing tips. These are what will hold into your ear so they will not fall out. You have 3 different sizes here, plus you have a size that's already on the headphones themselves. So you get to choose any of these tips that you'd like that fit in your ears. I tried on the medium, actually the second smallest one. Those were too big for me, so I had to use a small. So in this little compartment right here is your user manual. This will tell you everything about these earbuds. So these have premium sound. ACAA 2.0 is the largest version of the groundbreaking coaxial driver technology. You do have a USB Type-C charging cable. That way you can charge these earbuds. It's Type-C to USB. And then you have your user manual. So with this upgraded structure and materials, the pure sound is delivered directly to your ears. Bass is strong, mids are enhanced by 150%, the treble is increased by 460% for ultra-wide and immersive soundstage. So this is just a little warranty card right here. The high-res lightning experience. Listen to your favorite tunes in high-res audio wireless quality sound with Liberty 3 noise canceling earbuds. Support the LDAC mode and a Bluetooth codec with the transfer 3 times more data to preserve details and sound quality. So this is how the detections, multi-points, reset, LED light guides, and how to wear them, how to clean them. So this is the user manual. You have a warranty card right here. Just what not to do with these earbuds. Some standard information. Some more information. The great thing about these headphones, they have a multi-point connections. The connected Liberty 3 Pro has 2 Bluetooth devices at the same time. It is easy to switch between music and video calls and more. So apparently you can use 2 different devices with these earbuds. So if you're on an iPad or you're on an iPhone, you can switch without any interruption. So here is the case, and above there is the earbuds. So you get a small tiny little case depending on what color you get. I got the purple color, so that's what the purple color looks like. This is the Type-C charging port, and the little button on the back is a reset button. You have your display lights right up here to tell you about the charge level. Now to open these, all you have to do is to slide it back And then you have your case right there. You just slide it back and forth when you open and close them. So it's kind of satisfying. So in here you do have your charging ports. It is marked right and left. And then these little dots here at the front, that basically lets you know that the earbuds are being charged. So that is what it looks like at the bottom. You got a little slider right here, some information at the back. You can turn on transparency mode. You can stay connected by the world, acting transparency mode when you want to speak to someone or need heightened awareness around you. So you don't have to have it all complete blacked out. You can actually hear the awareness around you. So now let's get into the earbuds. These are simply little tiny earbuds. You got a little microphone at the top. You can see that they have the wings already on them. There's one pair of wings. And then there's your earpiece right here. Another little microphone. These are super tiny. They fit just perfectly. And the fact that you have transparency mode is another plus. So you don't actually be blocked out from the world. You can hear things around you. And then here's the little charging metal points that you'll want to put in your charger so you can charge up these earbuds. So you'll just slide this open. And then you'll just make sure you'll have the metal connectors connected. So this one right here will go right on the connectors. Just like that. And then you'll grab the other side and connect them in. Once they're connected, you'll see those little dots here that will flash. Those will tell you that they're charging. These are magnetized, so you don't got to worry about them falling out. You just slide it closed, and the display right here will tell you your battery level. You've got the nice little Anker logo at the top. So these are only charged to 2. You might need a bit of charging. You can see that they're charging. You have these little lights up at the top. When they flash like that, it means they are charging. When they're solid, it means that it is completely charged. So you get exceptional clarity, 6 microphones, and AI noise reduction algorithm filtered and background noises enhances your voice in real time so you can be heard clearly. So when you're out and about and it's really noisy, it does filter all those noise out. So just going to put on the tips on here. These ones I did try, but these ones a little bit too big for my ear canal, so I had to go to the smallest to fit my ears. They just snap right in there. So they fit in your ear just like this. You can see that there's a little bit of a wing right there. This one automatically comes with a pair. You have other ones if these are too small. Then you can change your little wings. So now we're going to put them back in the case. And grab the other one and put the other earbud on top of that. They just snap right in there. Just push it down and it snaps. So with the Fusion Comfort, the Liberty 3 Bluetooth earbuds are normally shaped and have built-in ear pressure relief to combat wearing fatigue. To tailor and fit your ears, there are multiple sizes of ear tips and ear wings for long-lasting comfort. The great thing about this is not only do you can charge this using a Type-C charging cable, but you can also charge these using a wireless charging pad. You can get up to 32 hours of playtime. You can enjoy up to 8 hours of music from a single charge of a wireless earbuds and extend the playtime up to 32 hours with a charging case. If the case itself needs recharging, simply place it down on a wireless charger or in a USB Type-C charging so you can charge it fully. These headphones do come with an app. It's called the Soundcore app. Use the Soundcore app to choose from a wide section of EQ modes. Activate the 3D sound and immerse listening, customize and touch controls and more. Before using them, it recommends that you use the app to get the newest software. I know when I downloaded this onto my phone, I had to update the software so I can get all the features of these earbuds. So now they are rocking and rolling. I love these. The sound is so beautiful. It is so crisp and clear. It is like hi-fi music. I would definitely say if you're looking for some kind of earbuds that are really comfortable, that have really good sounds, that are really loud, I would definitely say check these ones out. These ones, I can say they're compared to the Bose or the Beats by Dr. Dre.